Hello everyone, I just want to do a quick update on the price action of Kaspa. We keep breaking new highs after this massive pullback. We started a new wave and now we just touch this resistance level, which is 3.3 cents. We just touch it a little bit, let's see, and we pull back, right? Just a tiny bit, we pull back. I believe we're gonna keep touching it and then we probably could break this again. Now, on my previous video, we have our support here at 2 cents, so 2 cents, and resistance was at 2.7 cents. Now, this pullback to that touch support, let's measure that. Let's take a Fibonacci retracement from what I consider wave 1. It was exactly between 50 and 61.8%. So it is a typical pullback and resistance zones where I will pull back and then continue again the trend. So what I want to do today is I want to measure this parabolic price behavior that we had on the first massive wave here, right? On this parabolic we had since October last year that ended up in the all-time high in April the 2nd here of 4.2 cents. So I want to measure that and see what kind of price, if we were to replicate the same kind of price behavior of parabolic here extensions, to see where we can land, right? For sure we gotta change now the resistance to that level. So resistance now become 3.3 cents and support now becomes here 2.7. So that's what we're gonna be watching now, these two lines, and then if possible, if we break that 3.3, we will go to the next level which is 3.6, and then we'll go to the all-time high 4.2. So let's start measuring, doing some extensions here. So let's go back here and do Fibonacci, which is the trend-based Fibonacci extension. We're gonna consider that to be wave 1 there. That's wave 2, the pullback, and then the extension. So let's measure the extensions. In the first parabolic movement, we hit pretty much a wave 3 on 4.2 times wave 1. That's wave 1, 4.2 times. Now and then we finally hit wave 5 there, and then the massive pullback, and then I believe we started a new wave recently. So let's measure that. Fibonacci. That's 1, and then the pullback, wave 2, that's the pullback. All right, and now let's measure the points where we can land on a third wave, right? That's wave 1, 2, and then wave 3 extension. Wave 3 is the more impulsive of the waves, and usually it's 1.6. It could be multiple, but 1.6 is 1, 2.6, and you saw in that case it was 4.3 in the first massive. So we can even go as high as 8 cents. But anyway, if we were to go to a 1.6 extension, which is typical, we will do something like this. Let's see if I can graphic here. Where is it? Give me 1 second here. There, path. All right, so if we were to do that, we'll do something like this: bounce, and then 1.6. And now, if you see the 1.6, it coincides with the all-time high pretty much, which is at 4.3 cents. The all-time high was at let's see, that was 4.2, I believe. So it will be around that area. So it will make sense that we'll do something like that, right? And then wave 4 will be a retracement, and then a wave 5 finally. Usually wave 5, sometimes, I'm not saying usually, but sometimes it coincides with wave 1. So it will be something like the same height as wave 1, which will be, let's do that. Let's do here, arrow. Wave 1 is this. That's wave 1. So let's see if that's wave 3. If that's wave 3, wave 5, which is the same size as wave 1, will be at 5 cents. All right, if wave 3 ends up being at 2.6, then wave 5 will be at 7.3 cents. and so on. So we keep extending that last wave 5 depending on where wave 3. So, and to put it into perspective, let's simplify it here. I'm gonna open this up here, and I'm gonna do the whole pattern. Impulsive waves here will be started here back then in June. 1, 2. Now we know 3 maybe all-time high here, and then a pullback, and then a wave 5 here, which will be 5 cents. So this is one of the possible patterns. I'm not saying that it's gonna do that, but this is what I'm watching. I'm gonna watch next. I'm gonna watch to break the 3.3 resistance level and go up to the all-time high pullback. This pullback could be, you know, it cannot be greater than 50%. So I'm not expecting this to be more than here. So if we are here at 4.2, we cannot go more than 50%. So let's measure that, a retracement of 50% of wave 3 there. So here we cannot, wave 4 cannot pass 3 cents. So when we pull back, if we hit an all-time high, we cannot go beyond 3 cents on the pullback, and then we finally gonna hit a wave 5 here at 5 cents. So this is a possible scenario that I'm gonna be watching, and I'm gonna be trading based on that. I'm gonna continue mining Kaspa. I do believe this is one of those unique opportunities in life. So I'm gonna continue. I bought a bunch of Kaspa here back last year, December. I got some. So and I continue mining, although I'm not GPU mining anymore. I just got one of these guys. We'll see. As soon as I arrive, I'll do a video on how it behaves. I'm kind of worried because there are a lot of ASIC hitting, and the network is gonna get, you know, hammered with all these ASICs, and we'll see. As of today, let's see the rewards we're getting. All right, this is BT miners. Let's refresh the latest. Okay, last week it was around $26 per day on the Ice River KS0. We're at 25.43. I don't know how refresh based on the price today. It may go up. We can compare that against. Let's see. Let's do a quick calculation here. Kaspa. Let's do that. That's the 1 gigahash with 60 watts, which is what that miner KS0 uses. Let's see. Yeah, see, this is refreshed. So with the price action of today, we're getting 29 cents. Even though we have more miners hitting the network, we still, you know, the price went up significantly. So we're getting $29 per day in profit after power cost. So that's pretty amazing. We'll see if that trend continues. I just ordered one of these ASICs from Ice River directly. It's iceriver.io. We'll see. I paid with crypto. I use because you can pay with wires and then BTC or ETH or USDT and ERC20 or TRC20. But if you see here, I think it's the cheapest compared to what I found online. $8.99 for the miner, $36.9 for the PSU, and then they charge $110 for the shipping. So I expect this between August 1st and August 10th. So I'll keep you guys updated. As soon as I get it, I'll do a video and see how much rewards we're getting. And one last thing I want to check is I want to always check the Google Trends. This is Kaspa Crypto. You see that was back then when we hit the all-time high. That's the 100% index on the Google Trend. Then we went back significantly to 23 points, and now see it's coming back up. So I know this is a good trend, and I've done a couple of videos on how we hit the all-time highs. Every time we hit an all-time high, it coincides with Google Trends amazingly, right? So all these all-time highs you see here in the circle, I put a circle, that's where Google Trends hit an all-time high amazingly. So I'm expecting this trend on this new wave to continue. This is the update as of today, July 16. Let me know what you guys think, the price action, and what your plans are with Kaspa. Are you still mining with GPUs? Are you planning to buy any of the ASIC miners? Let me know. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.